I'm more of a hands-on person, and I think that everyone in the class is like, when they see something like this, it just draws them in and makes them want to do whatever it is about it, or like move around and touch things, stuff like that. So I think that's what might help a lot.
Yeah, I'm also a hands-on learner, so just like sitting in the classroom and like sitting at a desk for 40 minutes doesn't really help me learn as much. So when I'm out here able to like look at things, be able to like witness things myself, it makes it a lot easier for me to pay attention. So when I came into burn room number 2, the first thing that I saw are the dog bowls, and I was like, okay, this makes me think that people are still living in the home, people still care about this place, and they're not like trying to flee and get money out of the situation.
The first impression, even from outside, you can definitely tell it smells. Second, if you see different areas are definitely more charred than others. The TV, if you want to come in and look, it's completely melted on the front. Back here, almost untouched. And then right around here, I would say you see the most damage.
Something that I was looking at was like, there's more damage over here than there is here. All of this wood is still intact and didn't collapse. So that gave me like an idea that it started over. And then in the corner, as we were looking, it looks like there's a book in the corner. I think had fallen and started the fire, and there's also like a V shape, and that like tells us that the fire started here and went up.
It has a different smell than the other room. I would like to point that out. So it could definitely be 2 different causes.
Like you said, you want to point out the darkest colors. So over here we got some unpatched things, and I don't know, I'm thinking it came more behind the couch because we got some lighter colors over here, but over here is like the darkest part. So I'm thinking it's probably somewhere around here, but you want to look for like the darkest parts of where it's coming out from.
Okay, so in this room you don't really see like as much decoration or like household items people have. You also, behind Carissa, have this like purse looking thing with like maybe a can of lighter fluid or something, because it smells more like a firework maybe, or something with like some type of ignition in here to like make it go up in flames easier.
From first glance, we can see that there's chemicals on the floor. There's a burn in the couches, and the TV's burnt. And when trying to figure out what happens, we're trying to look for a V shape so we can find out where the fire originated. But it is kind of hard to see.
I don't know. I just think it's cool that we get to do this. From looking at pictures yesterday, now being right in, like, basically a crime scene of some sort, and being able to look at all the close details and take pictures of all the angles and all of that. That I think that's important in a class like this.
For me, I think it can benefit my career in, safety and stuff like that. But at first I wasn't looking in law enforcement, but it's interesting, I think.
So I think the fact that we're obviously right here, we get hands-on experience, that we get to see what it's actually truly like rather than just learning about the material. And adding on to that, when Chief Wolf came in yesterday, he told us about the job, and then I tried using some of his like tactics, the best I could, of course. And so it gives you a realistic look at what you might be doing. And if I wasn't pretty dead set on a career, like already, this would definitely be something that would influence it.